Batuk the bear was walking near a school playground when he noticed a swarm of bees buzzing angrily around a tree. A group of school children playing nearby became scared as the bees started flying toward them. Batuk quickly acted with calm and courage. He gently guided the children to move slowly and stay quiet, leading them safely into a nearby classroom. Batuk then helped the teachers call a beekeeper, who safely relocated the bees without harming them. Once the danger passed, Batuk explained that staying calm and helping each other during emergencies can save lives. The children thanked Batuk for his bravery and learned the importance of courage, teamwork, and kindness toward nature. Moral: calm thinking and helping others can turn danger into safety. Please subscribe.